After a decade of success with American sedan buyers, Volkswagen of America has announced that it will end assembly of the Passat sedan in Chattanooga with the model year 2022, part of the plant's transformation to build a future of electric vehicles. To celebrate the integral role of Passat and the resurgence of Volkswagen in the United States, a short-run limited edition will join the lineup with Chattanooga-inspired details. Outside, distinctive wheels and mirror caps differentiate the limited edition from the rest of the Passat lineup. 15-spoke, 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels are standard, along with black mirror caps for the power-folding mirrors with memory. Additionally, limited edition models will feature LED headlights with the advanced front lighting system and easy-open trunk. The 2022 Passat Limited Edition includes unique exterior and interior design details created to celebrate the model's history and recognize the contributions of the employees who built the Passat. A run of 1,973 limited edition models are expected to be produced to recognize the year the first Passat was launched in Germany. Inside, limited edition models will bear unique seat tags featuring one of 1,973 on one side and VW Chattanooga since 2011 on the other. Special mats adorn the cup holders featuring aerial maps of the city and an aerial line drawing of the Chattanooga factory. Additionally, limited edition models will be equipped with the Comfort Sport seats with perforated Vienna leather seating surfaces, driver's seat memory, power passenger seat, heated front and rear seats, Discover Media infotainment with navigation, Fender Premium Audio, Park Assist, with front and rear park distance control and light assist. The Passat Limited Edition will be available in 4 unique color combinations, with each number paying homage to an aspect of the vehicle's past. Aurora Red metallic models with Titan Black interior will number in 411 units, representing the original vehicle production code. Now, vehicles like this in Racing Green metallic with the Mauro Brown interior will number in 423 for the Chattanooga, Tennessee area code. Pure white models with Mauro Brown interior will number in 524 units, signifying the opening date of the Chattanooga plant on May 24, 2011. And to round out the limited run, there will be 615 platinum gray metallic models with Titan Black interior that will be produced, signifying 6 generations of imported Passats, 1 generation assembled in Chattanooga, and 5 decades of U.S. sales. The first versions of the Passat family of sedans and wagons from Volkswagen for the U.S. customers were launched in 1974 under the Dasher name. More than 222,000 were sold before the car was replaced by the second generation Passat, this time marketed as the Quantum. The Passat name appeared for the first time in the U.S. market in 1990 and has remained ever since. The first 6 generations were exported from Europe. In 2011, Volkswagen started assembling the Passat for the North American market out of its advanced assembly plant in Chattanooga. Specifically designed for North America, the 2012 Passat was bigger than the car it replaced, with ample rear seat and trunk space, offering German engineering and styling at a competitive price. The U.S. assembled Passat has been exported around the world, including Canada, South Korea, and Middle Eastern markets ever since.